Welcome to our Minecraft food guide. Today, we'll explore the incredible food system that fuels your adventures in the blocky world of Minecraft. In Minecraft, food comes in many forms. Let's break it down into three main categories: raw, cooked, and crafted foods. First up, let's look at some of the basic food items you can find: apples, bread, and various meats. Each has unique benefits. Eating food plays a crucial role in Minecraft. It restores hunger points and boosts your overall health, keeping you survival ready. Cooking food is essential. Let's explore how to use furnaces and smokers effectively to prepare delicious meals. Did you know that there are special food items too? Enchanted golden apples and cake provide unique benefits that can give you an edge in the game. Farming is key to food sustainability. We'll cover effective methods for growing crops and raising animals. Ever wondered how to keep your food fresh? Let's delve into methods for storing and using food efficiently. In survival mode, it's vital to maximize your food sources. Here are some handy tips to keep your hunger at bay. To wrap up, remember that a steady food supply is crucial for your success in Minecraft. Follow these essential strategies to thrive.